In this tutorial, we'll be working on a simple calculator just to show you how to program the edit field, the numeric edit field. So I'll just drag and drop to edit field the numeric one. Okay, keep it in mind. This one is in the bracket you can see the text, and here is the numeric data. Since in case of calculator we'll be dealing with the numeric input and numeric output, I'm going to put in here the edit field that displays numeric values. Okay, so I have bring in here 3 edit fields. Maybe I can put it somewhere here. Okay, so I can just when I click this one, the inspector, the property inspector shows the properties of this particular edit field. So I'm going to name it, I'm going to use the input 1. Now it will display input 1, and here I'm going to write input 2. Okay, so just to make it more readable and understandable. Okay, now here I'm going to write sum. Okay, I'll be just finding the sum of these two numbers, and I'm adding here a button, and the job of this button is that when this button is pressed, when it is clicked, the sum displays the sum of input 1 and input 2. That's a very simple program. Okay, so I'm going to fit in here so just to show you that you can modify your window. Okay, so let's get to the code view. The good way, the better way is to switch to the callbacks while the button is selected, and I'll add the button push callback. So we are already in that particular function where we need to type our code. Okay, so here now the first thing what I want to say is that we are going to find the sum of two numbers. Okay, that's definite. We are going to, let's say, sum of two numbers A and B, and we want to display that sum in this particular edit field. So this particular edit field we can do that by app dot sum edit field, and what is the property that we want to modify is the value property. So we'll just finish it with dot value, and it's the sum. Okay, once we find the sum, we'll assign it to this, but at the moment this sum is an arbitrary variable where we didn't find A and B. So what is A? Where will A come from? A will come from the app dot input 1 dot value. So it's going to be the value of the value in the input 1 edit field. Similarly, we'll I'll just copy and paste in here the B, which the B variable, the value B will come from edit field 2. Okay, So this is a very simple program. We are getting inputs from two edit fields. We are finding the sum and then assigning this sum to the third edit field, and this all will happen if we press that button. Okay, so let me save it. Okay, let me call it the sum cal and save it, and now we can run it. Okay, here comes the window. I can type in here some number 3 and let's say some 5 here, and when I press this button I get 8 here. So I can go on with this with different options, yeah, just like this. So this is our very simple calculator that just sum two numbers.